Hey, what's up? Another day, another kata. That's what they say. If you say, "You stupid man, why are you making them at like half 11 in the evening?" Well, that's because I got a job, and then I need to work my job through the day. So let's pick. I don't know. I'm really afraid to do another 5Q kata, but you know, um, uh, triumph through hardship. That's a proverb. Alright, so let's see. Bananas. Phone directory. Tongues. Let's see if any of those has short instructions. Well, this is pretty short. This is not so short. And this is also, I don't know, not so short. So let's see. What's your name? What is your name? Said Tim. My name, said the mouse, is Dingle Mouse. What were you before the witch turned you into a mouse? Said Rose. I was a banana, said Dingle the mouse. So be careful. If you see her, run away. Jelly the witch. Spike Milligan. What? What is this? Oh shit, I'm gonna get copyrighted. No, stop, no. Okay. Music in the video. Oh, it's a song. A fairy story. It's a fairy story. Nice. Yeah, gonna check that one out later. Kata test. Given a string of letters A, B, N, how many different ways can you make a word banana? By crossing out various letters and then reading left to right. Use that to indicate a crossed out letter. Input banana. Output. What the fuck? Banana. 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 Alright, so you must return all possible bananas, but the order does not matter. The example output above is formatted for readability. Please refer to the example test for expected format and then happy face. Alrighty then. So let's run the test, see the expected output. So should this be a set? Banana mismatch. Set should equal set. Alright. Well, yeah, all of these ones. Yeah, I'm at that mental place again, just like yesterday. I'm like looking at my brain, feels heavy. It's like, this is so complicated. Because I'm just, you go from thinking about solution to just like involuntarily comprehending how complicated the matter is. And it's a set. Well, we could try to brute force it, and yeah, yeah, what we could do is try to brute force it. Like, I don't know how long inputs do we get. We could like brute force. That means to like put it like replace words with these dashes all the way, and then see which one of them spell banana, and then just return that. That would be gangster as fuck, you know. So So yeah, let's fuck it, let's do that. So how do you brute force it? And how do you make a set? Shit. Or you just need to like return the string. I don't know. You return a list. Alright. So yeah, how do you brute force it? I guess you need like to get a counter and then so at first you put like first, second, third, fourth, and until the end, and then you have two. First two, second two, third two, fourth two, the last two. But with two you have like the first and the last, and then check or so this issue is about all different possibilities, and there are a lot of possibilities, like just from this, for example, and that's a interesting problem, you know. I must admit it, that's an interesting problem. It threw me out. It by George Polya. I said like first you need to understand the problem. Many times you don't understand the problem. So here is the problem is of nature. I don't know which nature is it, but you must find all the possibilities. It's like all like what can we do with it, and it's a string. What can we do with this string that still satisfies the condition, you know, so that it spells banana? And for the possibilities, yes. So it's like searching for possibilities, and now is there a better way to understand the problem? To visualize it, maybe. Maybe we could see like the hidden, like that this is the string, and it's like a forest, and then you see, wow, look. But if you look that way, you see that here is a, I don't know, a pine tree, and here are also a row of pine trees, and you like just like notice certain things in the forest, you know. That could be one. And the thing, but it's not the same, because these things are not the same. It's in that analogy those are the pine trees, but here it is always the word. And like right now I could do the brute force solution if I knew how to write a brute force algorithm. You know? Cause cause that now that would be an auxiliary problem. How to like brute force the thing, you know? So that would be an auxiliary problem. That's how we could get to a solution. Like if we're an insect trying to go out the window which is closed, now that's a problem that it cannot be solved, you know. But if we make like an auxiliary problem where we first have to like fly sideways to the window that's open and get outside, that way we could solve this problem. So the real problem here is to make the brute force algorithm for this thing. And how do we do that? Well, let's just start coding, like writing code. So we say for character in list shit. Make list of an S, and then we say I feel like I would need a whole another window for this problem, because it's hard, because like now we're solving the auxiliary problem, and it would be maybe just better to solve it in the terminal or not, like in a local environment, but that would be hard to test it. I mean, we could do test-driven development. Shit, alright, let's do that. Documents, программирование. Okay, dear, how do we call the problem? Force problem. Oh, I'm a retard. Okay, touch app py, and then we open it in the fucking VS Code. Which is usually just annoying. This is the best code editor. Yes, suck my dick. Alright. How do we test? Oh my god. Oh. It's like pouring oil into the fucking fire. Like, fuck you. No. For improved Python editing with faster completions, auto imports, signature help with parameter information, and fuck. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna switch the coding editor, cause yeah, this one has a lot of extensions and shit, but I don't use any of them. And it's like just like, I don't know what those people like, they just enjoy fueling their dependency on Microsoft, man. Fuck. Alright, Bejeli, the witch. So, let's see. Python unit test. Yeah. Basic example. Oh my god. Self assert equal. Test case. Assert equal. So we say shit. From unit test dot test case import assert, I don't know what, assert equal. I don't know if that's the best thing we can do. Assert equal, well, I guess better than assert true, hee. Yeah, I guess the assert equal, yeah. It shall be assert equal. Alright, so let's do smoke test. Let's see. Assert equal 3, 2, and let's run this thing. Smells delicious. No module named test case. No module named test case. Maybe unit test dot unit test. Oh, still. Like, how do you get it then? I guess I don't understand basic object-oriented programming then. Unit test dot test case. I'm just no module named unit test dot test case. I bet many people have had the same trouble. Huh? Empty init file. You for real? Maybe I should do Python 3 over here. Okay. Maybe touch init py init. Yes, still. Like, I don't want to make a whole class. Python use unit test method. Okay. Reusing old test code, skipping tests, distinguishing test iteration using classes and functions. Run, skip test, debug. The test case class provides several assert methods to check for and report failures. The following table lists the most commonly used methods. Yes, so alright, so Python use assert equal but not in class. Without much baggage. From unit test import test case. Wow, I don't understand that one bit. Oh, okay, I understand it. Assert accessor type. Shit, what the fuck? You know, fuck it. Fuck you, unit test module. Fuck me also, because I don't know the oh shit, alright. And fuck me also for not knowing this shit. And fuck YouTube for I don't know. Wow. From this unsuccessful thing I feel like I need a break. Alright, so we were at the establishing, you know, fuck it. This is an interesting enough problem. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Right now what I'm gonna do is just pick like an easier one, like 6Q something. Like I guess that's the threshold right now, from 6Q to 5Q. We do it again, strings, because I just don't want to bash my head. So tomorrow morning I can do that. I can sleep on it and shit like that. I got some interesting insight. I don't want to stifle it with like pain. Pairs of bears. In order to prove its success and gain funding, the Wilderness Zoo needs to prove to environmentalists that it has X number of mating pairs of bears. You must check within strings to find all the mating pairs and return a string containing only them. Line them up for inspection. Rules. Bears are either B or 8. Bears must be together in male-female pairs. Mating pairs must involve 2 distinct bears each. B8B may look fun but does not count as 2 pairs. Return an array containing a string of only the mating pairs available, e.g. B88B, empty string if there are no pairs, and true if the number is more than or equal to X, false if not. Oh, so if there is not enough funding. Alright, so this seems like a bit simpler kata, although I do not know a solution right when I see it. I don't know how to do it. So the order matters, that's for sure. We could like first we could at first just cancel out the useless stuff. So we say for character for char in list. So S is string. I say if character equals to B or character equals to 8, then we say bears is an empty string, and if that is it, we just say bears plus equals character. So now we have only string with bears. Now what we want to check is to put out the non-pairs, you know, and we do that by let's do this one. Let's just print out the bears and see. All right, so what should happen here is that this we gotta let's say we got B or an 8, and we see and we check, is there the same signal? Oh, so basically what we want to avoid is that something occurs 3 or more times. And that can be again done with regular expressions, or just like pick out pairs. So we say while there is while bears dot contain B and bears contain 8. What you do is you say so you say bears dot you have to find the right one. Say if bears contain 8B, then say bears dot replace but how many times does it replace it? You know, that's the first instance. Like this needs to use like regular expressions. I think strings and regular expressions go hand in hand. And say match group. Return string matched by RE. Okay. Split sub. Sub number does the same thing as sub but returns the new string and the number of replacements. So that should be rather useful. Where is sub n? But return a tuple. Alright, new string number of subs made. That's great. So we say right over here say we reassign bears again and we say re dot sub n and the pattern is 8b and replacement is nothing. We want to input pairs variable. Alright, so that returns us a tuple and we want to get the new string, which is the 0th element of the tuple, I guess. And so this is the return. Shit. This is the returnation. Yeah, retardation. Bears is returnation 0, and what do we do is we say pairs only, and we say pairs only equals plus equals, I think it's plus equals, and we say 8b times returnation the first string. Long break again. Oh shit, how long am I doing this cut? And we do the same for B8. And here again B8, and here again B8. and we just return pairs. How do we need to return a list, right? Return, the first thing is pairs only, the second one is an expression, as we say, return bool, and here an expression which says how do you count? Like Python count chars in string. Count. Oh shit, this is the naive method using count, yeah. It's count E. Oh, I do not want to count for E. Counter. Find all. Count all characters in string. No, I do not want to count for an E. Ugh. This is a lost cause. Oh my god. Or Python just length of string. That's the solution. Find length of string. Length string, literally. Len str, so we say len pairs only divided by 2. We all know why. The number of pairs is that bool. We say x equals number is like x equals or is lesser than number of pairs. Now let's see how this works out. Wow, there's no contains. Okay. String object has no attribute contains. Python string contains. Check if Python string contains substring. If substring in, find method contains method dot contains. So it looks like that apparently. And it needs to look like that. I don't know what happened. I didn't know. It feels like something new. Something that worked before but now it doesn't. Well, 2 tests passed. Oh. Well, this is just frustrating. Well, I got another one. Fuck it. Yeah. I already solved this. No, I didn't. I rolled it. It's lame. Ah, fuck. Switcheroo. Given a string made up of letters A, B, and or C, switch the positions of letters A and B. Change A to B and vice versa. Leave any incidence of C untouched. Alright, fair. Let's see. Return string replace AB with BA replace BA with AB. Does that work? Yeah, cause it like works backwards. Okay. Because it obviously needs to run in some order. Yeah, how? Oh my god. No. Obviously, everything is too difficult for me. Strings. Write me a function. Oh, this is also gonna be too hard. Write me a function string that takes a size and returns a string of alternating ones and zeros. A string should start with 1. Alright. Good luck. We say return we wanna return one zero times size divided by 2. Oh, for a string and int. Oh, size comes in as integer. Oh, yeah, because this only use whole numbers. Yeah, this is like no joke. This is also too hard for me. Mike and me. Okay. Sequence. Alright. Test that out. Oh my oh! Lisa's object has no oh my god. So far. Oh. Well, it's my fault, it's not computer's fault. Oh my god, they passed. Finally I see some green tests. Now I don't want to even look at it at this point. Why is it submitting this solution so long? Wow. Oh, so that's the proper way to do it. Oh, so these are the Pythonic ways. Oh. Thank you, Edward Okek, 6Q. I like how he explained it. He's from Kenya. This is his website. Not found. Maybe he got a job or quit programming, I don't know. Did he make any katas? No, he just solved them. Okay. Well, that's it. So how is it called, that kata reversed strings?